Well, I finally found something cool. This is the Bollinger Motors booth. I have two of them here. I look forward to checking these things out. Crazy expensive though. I can't believe they're $125,000. Oh, somebody over there said it's too big.
Not for back east.
Wow.
It almost looks
the old Volvos used to do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was like Volvo.
I know.
I've honestly never really been a fan of these. They actually started in a tiny town right next to me in Ithaca, but they were, I think, just like 45 minutes to my east. I forget the name of the town, but it was small. I mean, barely on the map. And they've developed, I think now they're in Detroit, but I've never really cared for these. I really think aerodynamics is important, and they don't have any. God, it's all metal siding. This looks so uncomfortable. These are seats from like a 1999 Toyota Tacoma. Yeah. I hope they do well, but it's not for me. All right, so that's Bollinger. On to the next.